Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a new toy. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. As you can see in the title, it's a TT Pro. So, been wanting one of these for a while. Jason at JJ Customs finally got another one in. I know they've been out for a while. You can see I got the yellow one. Let's see. I'm sorry I'm bouncing you guys around, but the box is upside down. We're gonna put you in the stand here. Let's flip the box over. Let's get you up here. All right. Get rid of this. Tenacity TT Pro 10 four-wheel drive platform. So it's a gnome platform. Falcon Wild Peak MT tires on Method racing rims, so the rims look nice. Spectrum Smart 130 amp. So it says 3S, but you can run 4S on these 130 amps. The motor, we'll probably run it on 4S. 12 millimeter race inspired aluminum bodied shocks, absorbers and caps. Over here you get the front LED light, which is right here, nice. 6200A receiver. It's got ABC in it. We'll see how that works. I might change that out. I'm not a real big fan of the Spectrum radios. I guess they work fine in like short distance, which I'm not going to be doing, speed runs with this. So, and it's the DX3, so it's actually the better controller. So it's and that's it. This box doesn't have much on it. You got all this stuff on it. You want to read that? So, different languages there. That's what it is. Looks like Dutch, French, an IT, maybe Italian. I don't know what IT is. But yeah, that's not working. Everything but a knife out. The seal's still on it. Didn't even have it open. At JJ Customs, they pull it out of the box and put it on the shelf so you can touch it and all that. But this just came in, and he called me. He said it was in. So, and I wanted one of these. I wasn't gonna get it, but because I figured it wouldn't be in for a month or so. Controller. Oh, this thing looks sweet, guys. Always looks a little different from in the store to when you get it home. Looks even nicer when it's home. The only thing that, I don't know how much the bodies are on these things, but I know you can replace them with like, that pull through. Proline's got some bodies that'll fit it because it is just a short course truck. Right? Looks like it's been through a little bit in shipping. But yeah, it's nice. The body's a little weak, but might have to shoe glue that up. It's like here. So let's put that to the side and see what's in this bag. Looks like you get an extra pinion gear, probably a speed pinion. So, I don't know why we all do that. We all grab the bag and look inside it and then try to see what it is and then open it. Just open it. Open it anyways. So they give you an extra screw, a couple extra screws. I'm not sure what those are. Is there a slipper or something? There's 2 extra screws like that. And then there's a little tool kit and an extra pinion. Some stickers, which is cool. I don't have any of those on my board yet, so I'll definitely put a couple of those on my board. I wish they had a Losi sticker. Would have been nice, but then your manual. This is good. Tells you what your ESC set up. I'll have to get a, I don't think my programmer, my hobby wing programmer will work on this one. So I still need to buy a program card so I can set it. But yeah, it gives you all the directions, how to tear it down. We'll have to find what that little part is, unless you guys know what that little part is. See, it goes on a pin or something. For a wheel hub maybe or something. I'll have to look it up. Look through and see if I can spot it somewhere. I thought maybe it went into the center diff or something like that. If there's a center diff or a, I don't even know if this has a center diff. Because that's the rear and the front, right? It does have a center diff right here. But yeah, it doesn't show that. What those are? They're long screws. Oh, it's for the different battery size. That's what that is. There. There and there. That way you can probably put a 4S in there. We'll have to see what that does. So, put that over there. That's kind of cool. It comes with batteries for you. Must be like a 3rd channel. Bind button. Steering rate, brake rate, steering trim, throttle trim, steering reverse, neutral, and throttle reverse. Then you got your 100%. And then your power button in the back. People have problems with this power button sticking, but this one seems to be fine. So yeah, it's got the smart battery in there, which I don't have any smart batteries, and I most likely never will. So takes 4 batteries. So let's get this bad boy open. Yeah, the body's a little little flimsy. I'm gonna definitely have to do the shoe goo, I think. Otherwise, I'm going to be getting a new body, and I kind of like this one, so I kind of like this one. Oh, plush. That's Losi, man. Look how slow that comes up. Doesn't just go whoop. See, so I'm assuming this is probably just a 2S. And if you take these off and put these longer screws in, probably be able to get a 3S in there. I would like to get a 4S in there, but I don't think I'm going to with this setup. And this bolt and that bolt. Look at this nice metal chassis. Woohoo! The motor. A bunch of wires right here all tied together. I wonder what that's for. They all wire up and through there. That was kind of, I assume that must be waterproof then. It's sitting like that. I mean, I'm not going to run it through water as far as I can tell, but there's quite a bit of play in the, like they say there is, but eventually get the little bearing kit for this. I was watching a show or a YouTube channel. Nice good bumper. They said to get the RPM bumper for it because this, when you hit the do a hard landing or run into a curb or whatever, this puts so much pressure on the diff case and just shatters the diff case. That's what it does. But yeah, this is nice. I like it. I like it. It's my size, guys. It's 1/10. I was gonna get a I had him holding the Mojave for me, and he called me and said this came in, so I got this instead, which I like. The other one, you know, Mojave's this big. So I'm liking this right now. Probably later on down the road would probably like a Mojave, but I got something else too. So I got another car too to unbox. It's gonna probably be a few days after this one though, and then yeah. So man, I'm so excited. Look at these nice rims. Yeah, there's a lot of slopping. Put a washers up here or something. Get all that slop out of there like I did the other one. See if I can tighten all that up. I know it's just a basher. It's supposed to have a little bit of slop, but because you're not real worried about being super accurate. Right. But you do want to go straight when you can. Right. Yeah, this bell crank in here is all. There's parts you can get. You can get the whole metal part, upgrade the whole thing into aluminum, or you can just get I think they sell it. You can buy the bearings for it. I got it in my cart already, but I just haven't pulled the trigger yet because I just spent a lot of money on these two cars. So, all right. So there you guys go. Yeah. Hoping to get out, take this with me and go bashing this weekend. So, or by the time you see this, it'll be, the weekend will probably be over. You'll probably see this, well, I don't know. You might see it before the weekend. Depends on how I feel tonight. So, There you go. Now I'm just babbling. Thanks for watching, guys, this unboxing. And, yep. Method race wheels. Losi. My first Losi, guys. So, we are going to go out and bash. It was, shout out to RC NorCal. It's his birthday today. So we're gonna go out and bash Saturday. So by the time you guys see all that stuff, it'll be I'll take some video of it. I want to take this out there. I'm just, man, he's gonna bring that big ramp out there, and I'm gonna be afraid I'm just gonna take it off of there. So I'll try to be good. I'm gonna take I think I'm gonna take my Rustler out because I can beat it up. I wish I had my Typhon 3S set up, but I don't. I'll take my Rival out there because I know it can bash. And my Max. I'll probably take those 3 cars and this and just do this on the, I won't jump this one. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of this running around. You guys have a good one.